other places fit. You and I shouldn't even try making sense of it. I forgot how we ever came this far. I believe we had reasons, but I don't know what they are. So blame it on my heart. Love moves in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising how love appears over the horizon. I love you for the rest of my days, but still it's a mystery of how you ever came to me. We show me proof love moves in mysterious ways. Heaven knows love is just a chance we take. When we dance by the love that makes a leap of faith. So hold me close and never ever let me go. Even though we think we know which way the river flows, that's not the way love goes.